Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you that ChatGPT, you can actually create Word document using ChatGPT. You can create a resume, ask ChatGPT to create a resume, and they'll give you a Word document. I will show you. For example, I'll ask ChatGPT to create a resume. Create a resume of me, Janice on. I am experience in training, website development in WordPress, Shopify. Okay, so let's see what happens when I enter. Okay, so it will come up with all this, my name, then it will put all the address information, all these things you have to fill your own. Let's look at the summary. Result driven professional experience training and website development, specializing WordPress and Shopify platform. Skill in creating engaging learning experiences and developing functional visual appeal websites to meet business goals. Adept at managing multiple projects, steering training programs, and optimizing web performance for user experience. Yeah, quite true. It's true. I know all this and my skill sets. Let's look at it. Point form. Yes, I know all this. Website development, WordPress, Shopify, web design, customization, training and workshop facilitation, content management, yes. E-commerce integration, SEO and website management, client relationship management. Yes, I have all the skills. Then let's look at the bottom, the professional experience, website development and trainer. Putting the company name, location. This one I have to fill all my own. Look at the points: develop and maintain websites on WordPress, Shopify platforms. I'm showing responsive design, and optimize performance. Conducting training sessions for clients and internal teams on website management and platform usage. Yes, I do that. Assisted clients in setting up e-commerce stores, integrate payment gateways, and managing online content. Yes, I do that. Okay, and providing ongoing support and troubleshooting for related issues. Yes, I do that. And then bottom is previous position. You can actually put your own all this, and then bottom you put education, the field certifications and all that. By the way, I certify people of their WordPress and Shopify skills. I'm a certified trainer. So I actually assist them, and then I'll pass them whether they are qualified, competent or not in WordPress and Shopify. Okay, I'm SCARP certified, so I can do all this, and I've extensive years experience in WordPress and Shopify. If you want to learn, you can come and contact me. Yeah, portfolio. Yeah, you can show the portfolio, the link. So yeah, then they'll prompt you whether you they will want me to create a model visually appeal, things like that. A PDF version. Oh, say you can actually have a PDF version. Let me ask them. I want a Word document. Create a Word document for me to edit. Okay, a Word document. It's generating the content. There you go. Then you say what document, you can download it and all that. So it's just here. When I click download, oh, there are actually few. I can actually download in Word document, DOCX or PDF. Because I download a Word document. Okay. Okay, when the ChatGPT has created the file, you need to click on enable editing. So this is the file they created. Okay, they created. So you need to go and edit it. Okay, edit it accordingly. I think I'll ask them to further enhance it to be better. Okay, make the layout to be better, good looking. Let's see what happens. Cleaner, professional, heading, bullets point. Okay, I'm going to download and see. V2. Okay, like that. Right. So basically that. I think you can actually edit it if you don't like this thing. You can create your own line and all that and edit accordingly. So basically they just give you the format of for you to enhance it. So I'm just showing you that you can actually create a Word document, but it's not completely perfect. And okay, let me show you that you can actually download in PDF. Let's see what's the PDF version look like. Okay, this is the PDF version. Okay, you need to actually enhance it to be better. This is actually a bit too plain. Okay, a bit too plain. So maybe I'll just see what happens when I ask for more of them. Visual appealing version. Or more visually appealing version. Okay, I will just ask them. Okay, replace this. I don't like this line with horizontal line. I think the horizontal line is not too good. Okay, I'm gonna stop it. Horizontal line to be black. Can't see the horizontal line. So ChatGPT is not so good. Show horizontal line. Horizontal line for each section in black color. Nothing is not showing full. I want it to be full. The horizontal line to be full line. Okay, still not perfect. You see, this is a bit not so clear. Okay, let wait for it to complete. Okay, basically they have actually edited it to be full horizontal line extend to the full width, cleaner professional look. I'm going to download and see how it looks like. Word document. Tree. Okay, this is the line. It's not the line that I want actually, not the kind of horizontal line. So you actually create your own, I think. Not that perfect, and the layout is not that fantastic, but basically it comes with the structure. Okay, yeah. You know why I am actually sharing with you? Because in the past, when I was working with other companies, I interview people and I saw their CV. It's lacking of content, structure, layout. So I just want to show that you can actually use ChatGPT to create your CV. You don't know if you don't know how to write a CV resume, and you can actually download it and edit it accordingly and add more informations, details. Okay, if you don't know how to write, you can use it to write. And another thing is I want to say is some of the experiences, right? For me, the experiences stated here is all correct. I can do all this. But for you, I don't know what the response will be. You have to read through the responses. Is it correct? And yeah, you have to edit accordingly. Anything that is not correct, okay, or enhance accordingly. Okay. So basically, I'm just showing you that you can now actually create a Word document and PDF documents from ChatGPT directly. So besides resume, you can also do business proposals, yeah, your some contracts, documents. Even lawyers are now using it as well, and yeah, professionals, accountants, admin people, they're all using it. Marketing people, they are using it. ChatGPT to create documents, Word documents online. If you find this video helpful, please do click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tech tips. Okay, and share with others as well. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.